Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to order custom DTF transfers by size on our website. Let's get started. First, click Upload your image from the DTF Transfers panel in the top left corner. Once the page loads, you can upload your designs. But before uploading, make sure your file is in JPEG, PNG, PDF, PSD, AI, SVG, or TIFF format. Also, the maximum printable size is 22 inches, and the file size limit is 100 megabytes. For the best results, use high-resolution images with a transparent background. When you are ready, click the blue box and select your file from your device. As seen on the screen, your design will appear in the preview area, automatically trimmed, with the trim dimensions displayed below. After uploading from the panel that appears, you can adjust the size and choose the quantity you need. Or, by clicking here, you can add another size and set its quantity. If you're unsure, just pick from the popular sizes and we'll adjust it for you. You can also choose to remove the background of your design. Once everything is set, review your selections and remove any unwanted items if necessary. If it's all set, click Add to Cart. Lastly, review your order details, then click Checkout to finish up.